Hey, good morning folks. I'm going to do a bit of a video or a RAV RAV is it RAVPower or RAVPower? I'm going to do a rave about this RAVPower box to show you the connections, if that's in focus. Can you see them? These are 2.5 amp each, I believe. I'll double check for you if we get that in focus, whatever. Anyway, so on the back, is that in? I think that's in. There we go. So they're is it 2.2? Yeah, 2.2 amps each. The only reason why I'm bringing this up is because I was down the cabin the other day and my phone was virtually about to die. I was doing a video and I plugged this in. Next time I looked at it, it was 59%. This thing is phenomenal at charging stuff. So I'm going to have a go today at putting multiple devices on this and see how she handles it. Okay, so I'll come back to you in a sec. Okay, so using the RAVPower pack, I've actually charged up my batteries for my drone, which we'll show you. There we go. I think if it had more ports on it, I'd plug more things in, but I think I'd drain the battery pretty quick. Okay, one. So you can see that. There we go. Come back a little bit. So she's charging. Next, the flight controller. There we go. And now I'm gonna, well, I don't know what else to plug in because I'm using my phone, but I could do, hold on one sec. Okay, found another device. GoPro. This is phenomenal. So Rav, if you're listening, send me a product and I'll do a review for you. I've just done one already, so I'm quite excited. Right, let's see if that comes on. There we go. I've just proved it's just a phenomenal bit of kit. It's charging my drone batteries, my drone control unit, my GoPro, and I tell you, it'll probably do more. But it's a great bit of kit. Definitely worth. I don't know how much it was. I'll have a look on Amazon, and if I find the link, if they do a bigger one, I'm going to put that. I'd like to do it. I'd like a more powerful one, especially with all the drone stuff I'm doing and the charging on my phone. I'm doing a lot of filming on my phone, and that does take a bit of a pounding. So, bit of a heads up for you, RAVPower. All right. So, a great bit of kit. Can't fault it, easy to charge. It takes a little bit longer, I think, because the power pack inside is phenomenal. But look at this, all my goodies all being charged all at the same time from one RAVPower pack. I've got nothing to do with them. I don't subscribe or anything. I'm just saying that I'm over the moon with it, and I've had it a few years and it's never let me down. Alright, so take care. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe button over the far corner. Just doing like some reviews at the moment. I'm quite enjoying it. And up and coming videos over here. Alright. All the best. Take care. Stay safe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.